Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check all the photos that have been backed up in Google Photos on your iPhone or Android, whatever you have. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So if I open the Google Photos app on my iPhone, it will show me all the photos that are on my iPhone right now. But if I want to see the photos only which have been backed up, I cannot use the Google Photos app. So I'll go back and I'll go to the Safari browser or Google Chrome, whatever you have, and tap for photos.google.com and then search for it. It will take you to a new page. Now it will show you your Google account, and right here you'll find all the photos that have been backed up. It will not show you all the photos that are on your mobile phone right now. It will only show you the photos that have been already backed up into your Google Photos. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.